Hi all of you, back with another video on my JavaScript. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to create do while loop and while loop. Okay, so let's make a new file first. It's time to make a new file. My last file was has 38, which means it's my 39th video. Let me do 39.html. Yeah, so now it's time to add first boilerplate. Also let me enable my toggle word wrap. It is mandatory nowadays. Okay, now it's time to add script. Okay, to add JavaScript. Now let me show you how to create a while loop first, because while loop is really similar to your for loop. Like let me open my I think my for loop was in 38th video. uh yeah, it. So now you can see that in for loop, let I is equal to 0, your condition is also here, your initialization part is also here, your incremented part is also here. The difference is in while loop and for loop is, first your initialization part is your before while loop, like I am doing right like this, a is equal to like 66. Okay, now your while loop opens while, and let me write here, so it will make whole uh, kind of, you can say your emmet works, your emmet builds your whole loop. So now your condition will be here. Okay, like you have to write like a is great less than, or you can write like a is less than 5, which is not true. Let me write something else, like a is less than 67. Okay, 67, which is true right now. So if a is less than 67, so what you will do, like console, like print something. Okay, like print, like you can print anything, like a is smaller. Okay, a is smaller, and I think I have made a mistake. Let me write like this, let not use this double inverted commas, let me write these back tips. Okay, these helps a lot. In curly braces a, now it's time to close curly braces. I think here I should close. Now this is looking good. So your incremented part should be right here. Okay, now this is okay. So let me first open and see how this is working. So let me remove this error by refreshing it. It is not going. Why? 66 is smaller. Yeah, that is true. Let me remove a from here. Yeah, where is my I? Okay, I forgot a plus plus. I think I should do like a plus plus. Okay, so let me print where is my, yeah, here it is. Let me do refresh. 66 is smaller, which is true. If I do here like 69. Okay, so let me see how it works now. 68 is 67, 66, 66, 67, and 68, these are smaller, which now my while loop is working good. While loop. Okay, let me comment it as well. Let me comment this whole, because it's time to show you do while loop. Okay, now let me do like do while loop. Okay, now you can do like this. What can I do? Like, I think it's time to show you how do while works. So let me create a variable using let a is equal to uh, what can I take, like 26. Okay, so how do while works. So uh, so the purpose of do while loop is, do while loop gives you a chance, like if weather condition is true, weather condition is false, it works only for one time. Let me show you how, what is I'm talking about. Okay, so let me do like do, okay, do while like this. Okay, so let me write here your, so in this your condition is here, so your condition should be here, like I think a is smaller than what 20, not a smaller than 25, which is incorrect, which is totally incorrect. A is not smaller than 25. You can see here a is 26. Okay, but I'm writing here because to show you what is your do while loop. Okay, and these all loops I will be implementing in my upcoming project, as you already know. Console.log, console.log. What can I write, like using backtip first. Now it's time to add dollar, open curly braces, a, yeah, this is enough. A is not smaller. Okay, let me write this for you, let me close it as well. Yeah, it's time to add semicolon. So let me see it work, how it is working now. Okay, let me refresh. 26 is not smaller, which is correct. So you can see that the condition is false, still it is printing it. Okay, it is printing only one time, but it is printing it. So let me do like a plus plus as well here only. Let me see it works or not. I think it should be here or here, I don't know, because do while loop not uses much in your web development or in your any programming language. Your for loop use most of the time while creating programs. So I think, so I just want to show you that it gives you chance for one time. If I like if I remove this for now, if I like write like this, like a is smaller than 5, you can see your condition is totally false. A is not smaller, a is 26, a is not smaller than 5, but it will print because your do while loops print at least one time, only one time it prints, but it prints. Okay, so after that it will not print. But if I do here like 55, now your condition is true. Okay, so now you can see that it is printing all numbers. Okay, but in the false condition it will print only one time. I think you know what I'm talking about. Just try this by yourself, and all the source code will be in the description. You can just remove these comments and play with this code as well. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. I think I am just behind my project. I think there are 2-3 videos more left in JavaScript. Just finishing with that video soon, and I will be starting my project. Okay, some awesome project which you can't even imagine for now, and I will be implementing only HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and show you how to make projects you can add in your resume as well. So I think this is about this video, and I will be meeting you in my next video.